This is part 2 of the Bakugan world. Plankton farts. Scratch his face out! Yay! Ow! Ouchie. Do you want more? Yes. I want more pancakes. Bulletin, wait. Come up, strong one. Oh man, it's Ho-Ho, the giant chocolatey treat. This time, you will die. Shining Force, you made me angry. Come out, we're weakling. Come out, come out, come out. Beep, 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 beep. My head blew up. No. That's what you get. Now everybody needs to be in peace. You got that, slave?
No. Yes, I do. Want to sign a peace treaty?
Here.
Here, sign mine.
There, happy?
Yeah, dog.
El Condor, you need to scare the crap out of him. Yes, sir.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Laser! Spider egg! No, you will be cursed. Lots of little dots will be flying your way.
You mean dandruff?